Hello everyone, happy Monday and welcome to a new vlog. Today's actually 4th of July and I've been so lazy. We had a really slow morning, made a very delicious breakfast, and now I am headed to the park. I found this park recently that's only literally like a mile to a mile and a half from the house, and there's a good bit of shade. So because I live in a new home community and the older community next to my house has trees, but it's not where you actually walk. So neither community near me is shaded, and it is freaking hot out. So because it's almost 2 o'clock, I thought, let me just get to the park and get a little bit of activity in. Yeah, and then I'll take you through the rest of our day. All right, I got almost 3 miles in. I think I'm more like 2.5 miles. Anyway, just got home and we are going to make a bird bath. So I have this big ceramic plant base that we're gonna use as a tabletop. And then we have this old table where the top just kind of disintegrated. So I'll show you what we're gonna do with it.
Wait alone is, I mean, we can go set it just like it is now. We don't even have to.
We should glue it.
I know, I'm saying we don't have to.
We're letting it sit. The sucky part is it's like you can see some of the corners because it was a square table, but I think overall it's good. We're gonna not paint it yet. We're just gonna leave it how it is. Clean it up after about 24 hours of letting the glue solidify. We'll clean it, put some water in it, see how the birds like it, and then decide later if we want to paint. But I think it's cute using our resources. Noodle! Here we going on an adventure. You ready? You ready to see some firework? You gonna be nervous? No, you're not gonna be nervous. Noodle! See, we're on our garage. There's the view. Hoping to see the best things. Texton is a campus. Hello all, it is Tuesday the 5th, and I just wanted to let you know how last night went. It was not our best outing. Noodle actually didn't really mind the fireworks. He basically barked at them. I'll insert a picture here of us like trying to show him, but it was just like really windy and things kept blowing away like my wine. But it's actually a really good spot, so highly recommend. We could barely even hear the fireworks, which was kind of weird, but we could see them like all over the city and surrounding areas from where we were, which was really cool. So hopefully everybody had a good 4th, whatever that means for you. Yeah, so today I've been running errands. I let Noodle go for free. This is the second time trying out being in his little area without being in a crate. And I went to the chiropractor. I went on a walk. I tried to get my glasses done, and another reason, AISD proud, they changed our vision insurance in the middle of the school year, and I had no clue, so they don't take my insurance anymore, so now I have to go somewhere else to get my prescription sunglasses. So that was a bust. Just came to get some new delicious food for the pup because he's so itchy. So we're trying to get something a little bit more natural, and hopefully that will help. So yeah, I'm gonna go surprise Freddie at work with some popsicles. So I'm in here at the HEB Plus near Freddy's work to get some popsicles. Look at this. They have the balm. They have Moira, which I'm going to look up online because look at all these blushes. All right, got that variety pack. Look what I got you, bubbies. Noodle. Nudes. Noodle. Look what I got. You got your little dog cupcake. Good boy. Well, guys, I took Noodle to the trails today. It's like a 10-mile trail that we have. We did not do the 10 miles, clearly. We did about 40 minutes, and he barely made it. But we went really early at 7:30, and then we went to visit a coffee shop near the trails where we went. I don't know if anybody is from Austin, but we went near, like, the watery part on the east side and then found a coffee shop right there. So I'll put a little bit of footage here of that. He had a really good time and it was really fun bringing him on a little adventure. Forgive what I look like right now. We have been lounging, but the bird bath has been sitting overnight. Not the dog, just the bird bath. So we're going to clean it out and get it going. Say that if you put a few rocks in here, that helps give them a place to stand. So I'm gonna do a couple more rocks, and then it did say to only put about 2 inches of water and to keep it in the shade, preferably under some trees so they feel safe and secure. And then we are also going to replant new ones of these because we just made some mistakes and we know how to fix them. So I'm gonna put a few more rocks and some water, and then I'll show you what it looks like. You helping, Noodle? Good morning and a happy Thursday, right, Noodle? Noodle is gonna go to the Home Depots or Lowe's, which we actually like Lowe's better. And we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree and get some things for a project. Okay, so pray he doesn't pee in the stores. Time for a pop cup. Are you ready for a pop cup? Are you ready? Yes, you are. Whee! All ready? Okay, we are back, and we were gonna go on a little walk, but I think Noodle had enough, to be honest. We got him a little pup cup. We went to the Dollar Tree, and I got some things for a project that I'm gonna do. I'm kind of nervous about it, but I'm just gonna go for it. In my gut, I think it's gonna be amazing. So I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I will post a reel or some pictures on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on B.fleye Vintage, please do that. But some tools for the project. I got, just a cheap broom. Oops, I got this for Freddie. I got a comb. Okay, that's for the project. I got some more rough brushes. What else did I get? And then the last thing I got for the project is microfiber duster. So for a whole different texture. So if you can't tell, these are for texture. And then I got some colors we went to PPG Paints because when we first moved into the house, they were supposed to give us a gallon of interior and exterior paint. and they did not. So we got a free one and I went and picked that up. And then I decided to go ahead and look at some colors for the project. So this is kind of the color palette. So I'm gonna pick 5 colors along with like a creamy white. That will be one of the 5 to do the project. And then what else did we get at Dollar Tree? We got a little baby blanket for the baby, probably for the car seat. Oh my gosh, listen to me. I got some little sauce. These are an amazing deal. This is 4 little like sauce glass whatever words are, I don't know. 4 for $1.25, totally worth it. And then I got a bucket because my office is not done. My beauty room, my office, whatever. I just feel like it's never gonna be done. It's overwhelming and I need to make a dent in it. And so I'm gonna use this to put all my faux florals in so that I can actually see what I have and I don't have to dig. And some of them are very fragile. So anyway, that's what we got at Dollar Tree. We went by Starbucks, like I said, and got a little pup cup. We got the paint. Hey, always cussing. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.